700. Exercise number 16. Ready? We can see therefore that the common expressions a long life and a short life have real meaning only when thought of in relation to the life of the man in the street. The number of years on which insurance companies base their figures. Full stop. But we seem at present ready to ask questions and willing to hear the answers. So let us ask one or two further questions. First stop. What do the words long and short mean when used in regard to distances? Question mark. What do we mean when we say a place is near or far? When we say a thing is of light weight or is heavy? When we say that we are moving more or less quickly? Question mark. What do we mean when we say that an object is great or is small? Question mark. We find that all these expressions have real meaning only when one object is considered in relation to some other object. First up. Nothing can be long or short, big or small, light or heavy of itself. First up. It can be these things only when considered in relation to some other object. First up. The life of a man is short, almost beyond measure, when considered side by side with the life of man upon earth, past and future. First up. So 2 is any distance we have upon earth short beyond measure when considered side by side with the distances which are beyond the earth. First up. If we move round the earth in a straight line, the biggest distances we can cover is about 25,000 miles. First up. But if we look far out beyond the earth, we are faced with distances in relation to which 25,000 miles are as nothing. First up. The most distant object of which observations can at present be made is thought to be 140 million light years away from the earth. First up. Light, as we know, moves at 186,000 miles a second, which it is agreed is a considerable rate. First up. 1 light year is the distance which light covers moving throughout the year at a rate of 186,000 miles second. First up.